Hello, this is Jamie Cure, field sales agronomist for Pioneer Hybrid. Today I want to talk to you about crusting and soybean emergence. This soybean field was planted a little over 3 weeks ago. The soil temperatures have been cool, our outside temperatures have been cool, and about 6 days ago we've received a 6-inch heavy rain. Now the sun's shining, temperatures are starting to warm up, and now we've got a crust. And you can see in the field we've got a very, very heavy crust. We still got beans, just like this one here, that's trying to emerge still, but we're gonna need a little additional irrigation water to get these fields to go ahead and emerge. So if you have the ability to irrigate, start your sprinkler and make a 1/2-inch pass at most. Sometimes a little 30/100ths pass will help just to alleviate the crust and soften this top up and get the rest of these soybeans out. You can see they're crooking, they're still trying to come. We just need a little more additional water, moisture, rainfall if it would happen right away. We've got the sprinkler going in this field right now just to soften the top up and get the rest of these beans to emerge. So if you run into this situation, keep a close eye on your crust, how thick it is, and put a little moisture on it if you need it, just to get these late beans to go ahead and emerge.
That concludes this Pioneer Growing Point Agronomy video podcast. Visit our page on pioneer.com and follow us on Twitter and Facebook for more agronomy insights.